want to give you a secret information regarding Chennai. Brigade is coming up with an ultra-rise 38-floor ultra-luxury residence. This is Brigade Icon, an ultra-luxury residence present here in Anna Salai, Chennai.
City like Chennai, truly iconic residential addresses are rare, and when they do appear, they usually share three things in common: a prime location, a landmark design, and a lifestyle that stands above everything else. Today, we are exploring one such development, Brigade Icon on Mount Road, one of the most anticipated ultra-luxury project in Chennai. Located on Anna Salai opposite Spencer Plaza and minutes from Taj Connemara, Brigade Icon is designed to redefine luxury living in the heart of city. Rising 38 floor highs, this landmark tower offers expansive residences, panoramic sea views from high levels, and a mixed-use lifestyle environment rarely seen in central Chennai. In this video, we'll walk you through everything about Brigade Icon, the location, architecture, residences, amenities, lifestyle offerings, and investment potential. Let's start with what is arguably the biggest advantage of this project: its location. Brigade Icon is located on Anna Salai, also known as Mount Road, which has historically been the commercial and cultural spine of Chennai. From this address, residents have direct access to some of the city's most important landmarks. Right opposite to project is Spencer Plaza, one of Chennai's most iconic retail destinations. Just minutes away is the Taj Connemara Hotel, one of the city's most prestigious hospitality landmarks. The location also offers excellent connectivity to T Nagar, Chennai's largest shopping district, Nungambakkam, a major commercial hub, Gindi, home to many IT parks and offices, Chennai Central Business District. Metro connectivity is also extremely convenient, with nearby metro stations connecting you to different parts of the city. And for frequent travelers, Chennai International Airport is accessible within just 30 minutes. Brigade Icon is designed as a landmark mixed-use development combining ultra-luxury residences with commercial and lifestyle spaces. The project rises 38 floor high, making it one of the tallest residential developments in this part of Chennai. What makes this project even more special is the panoramic sea view available from the high floors, something extremely rare for homes located in Chennai Central. The tower has been designed to create a premium skyline presence on Mount Road, giving residents both prestige and exclusivity. Now let's talk about the homes themselves. Brigade Icon offers spacious 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK residences designed for high-end urban living. The homes are designed with expansive living rooms, large balconies, premium interiors, panoramic city views. Typical apartment sizes includes 3 BHK homes starting around 2700 square feet, 4 BHK residences around 3200 to 3300 square feet, 5 BHK ultra-luxury homes exceeding 4000 square feet. These homes are designed to deliver large living space, privacy, and a premium residential experience. Pricing in the project currently starts around 27,000 to 28,000 per square feet, positioning it among the most premium residential addresses in central Chennai. One of the most unique aspects of Brigade Icon is its integrated mixed-use concept. The project is not just a residential tower, it also includes commercial space, offices, premium retail brands, restaurants, cafes, and social spaces within the development. This creates a live, work, entertain ecosystem where residents can enjoy lifestyle convenience without leaving the premises. Imagine living in a luxury residence while having high-end retail outlets, dining spaces, and entertainment venues just an elevator ride away. This concept is common in global cities but still rare in Chennai's residential market, which makes Brigade Icon truly stands out. The project also offers a wide range of premium lifestyle amenities designed for residents. Some of the highlights includes luxury clubhouse, swimming pools, fitness center and gym, wellness and spa facilities, sky lounge and viewing decks, landscape leisure spaces, indoor games and entertainment areas. These amenities are designed to deliver a resort-style lifestyle experience inside the project itself. Residents can relax, socialize, and stay active without leaving the community. Another rare feature of Brigade Icon is the sea view from the upper floor of the tower. Because of its height and strategic location, high residences enjoy expansive views of the Chennai coastline and the city skyline. Sea view homes are extremely rare in Chennai Central, which adds a significant premium to this project. This makes Brigade Icon not just a luxury resident, but also a landmark lifestyle address. From an investment perspective, projects on Mount Road and Nasalai have historically held strong value because of the location commercial importance. Combined with the Brigade Group brand, ultra-luxury positioning, limited inventory, sea view residences, mixed-use lifestyle concept, Brigade Icon has the potential to become one of the most prestigious residential addresses in Chennai. It offers 38-floor tower landmark, sea view, amenities and whatnot. So if you want to know more details about Brigade Icon, connect with Damani Consulting today. We are renowned for our work and will help you to get each and every details right into your DM and also connect you over to brief you about this project and to take you a site visit on it.